Yo guys, so today we have a bit of a different video, the Neti Pot. So you think, why the fuck would you do that? Why a video about Neti Pots, tips and tricks? So I have a problem with my nose, it ain't straight, okay? The alignment's fucked up, kind of like my old little car, okay? So I have difficulty with, I'm suffering from headaches sometimes, breathing. When I get sick, I get very sick. Even if it's a little cough, I'll get infection. So it's a problem. And then my brother has the same kind of issues. So I asked him one day, what do you do for your nose? And he's like, I use a Neti Pot. I flush my nose. I didn't know what it was. Went on Google, I found it. I saw it. I went on Amazon, bought this for dirt cheap. And then I got two, but I gave one away. So let's jump into it. How does it work? Okay, this is the Neti Pot. And this is the top button where you'll push the button and the water will spray out here like a little pee-pee. Okay, so I just put some water inside, press the button and pee-pee. It's gonna pee in your nose. Okay, so how do you do it? Open this little bitch. Buy yourself some normal saline, nothing special. I almost think you can do it with water, but however, don't try that because maybe you can't. Imagine that. Just want to see if there's nothing suspect in my background. Okay, you take this little thing, you drop your 10 mils at least inside, okay? Then you need to add some water. I need to get water. Okay, so the water is done. Anyway, this shit's kind of uncomfortable. Probably not great. I don't like it. No, and I'm not gonna drop the water on the floor. If that's what you're thinking. I haven't actually flushed my nose in a while. Key point. Clean your nose, blow it or whatever. Get this snot and shit out before you start. Then you can do it straight. I do it, but it sucks. You can just like bend to the side. So when you do it, keep your mouth open, breathe through your mouth, otherwise shit's weird. My eyes might be tearing a little because I hate shit in my nose, man. It's very sensitive. Okay, anyhow, you just stick it in your nose. Basically, that's, oh fuck. Okay, so in your nose, like, fucking that's great, bro. So then you start. Do like half a tank. You can check up. I do like half a tank and then I'll do half on the other. That's not half. Ah, Jesus. If you think about it, it's kinda cool because there's fucking water coming out your nose from one hole to the other. Jesus. Yeah, I think it's blocked out, but Jesus. Pee it out. It's probably not as bad as it looks. Now, you can blow your nose up, but just softly. Now for a little while, phlegm is gonna come out your fucking neck, out your nose. Fuck. To cut this video now, I need to spit, shoot my snot everywhere. Anyhow, that is the Neti Pot, and now your sinuses will be cleared. So literally, clear your fucking brains. How to clean the Neti Pot? Just open it, flush it with regular water, not hot. If you put hot water, it's gonna go like a nutsack when it's cold. It's gonna shrink. Okay? This helped me a lot when I was sick, like really sick, couldn't heal up. Medicine didn't really work. I used to flush at least twice a day. Now when I'm healthy, like once a week, or when I feel like I'm really clogged up. Anyway, that's a fucking Neti Pot. If you don't know, now you know.